I hope you're doing well. So today we're going to solve another coding problem. This is quite a simple and easy problem, so it's actually expected that you can solve this without any problems. But then again, it's quite a common problem which is said during coding interviews, and I've actually experienced this during one of my coding interviews before. So let's go ahead and see. So let's say we're given a linked list. We are told that we should delete the node in a linked list. So we're told that we should write a function to delete a node in a singly linked list given only access to that node, not that we only have access to the node. So here's an example. Given 4519 and then given the node as 5, we're going to delete 5 to have 419 as the output. And let's say we're given this and given the node as 1, we're going to delete 1 and then get 459 as the output. So we're going to go ahead and solve it. So I'm going to have this for demonstration purposes. And then what we are going to do is that we are going to set this value of the node here to 1. So, and this is how we're going to do it. Node.val is equals to node.next.val. So what we have done here is that we have set this value of 5, the value of this node here, to this. So in that case, that means that it's gonna be like this. So to delete this node, what we are going to do is that we're going to point this to this. So, and that means that we're going to do node.next is equals to node.next.next. So what I've done is that I have pointed this 1 to 9. So the next node is 1 and the next node is 9. So we're going to point 1, the node, to next.next. So by doing that, you're going to delete this. So, and then we're going to have 419, which is our expected output. So let's go ahead and test our code. And yes, so our code actually works fine. So that is basically how you can delete a node. And like I said, it's a good idea to make sure that you have good knowledge on linked lists before getting to solve this problem, or before getting to solve any coding problem. Just make sure that you have good knowledge on data structures. So we're going to submit. And yes, so our code has been accepted, and that is how you get to solve this problem. So thank you, and I will see you on the next coding problem.